Ever found yourself needing to pop into a bank only to find the doors locked and a sign saying closed? It's frustrating, right? Especially when you're dealing with something important, like managing your business finances. Today, we're tackling a question that plagues many business owners, particularly those in Australia. What are Commonwealth Bank's business hours? Now, Commonwealth Bank, or CommBank as it's often called, is one of Australia's largest banks, serving a huge number of businesses across the country. Knowing their operating hours is crucial for efficient business management. Imagine needing to deposit a large sum of cash, needing urgent financial advice, or needing to resolve a transaction issue. Turning up to a closed branch can throw a real spanner in the works. So, why is it so important to know bank opening times in general? Well, in today's fast-paced business world, time is money. Knowing when your bank is open allows you to plan your day effectively, avoid unnecessary trips, and ensure you can access the services you need when you need them. It's about optimizing your time and resources. Think about it. If you're a small business owner, you're likely juggling multiple responsibilities. You're managing inventory, dealing with customers, handling marketing, and of course, keeping track of your finances. Having to make a wasted trip to the bank because you didn't check their opening hours is a drain on your already limited time. Beyond just saving time, knowing bank hours can also help you avoid potential security risks. If you're carrying large amounts of cash, you want to deposit it as quickly and efficiently as possible. Loitering outside a closed bank isn't ideal from a safety perspective. Now, let's get down to the specifics. Commonwealth Bank's business hours. It's important to understand that there isn't one universal answer to this question. Opening hours can vary depending on a few key factors. Firstly, location plays a significant role. Branch hours in major city centers like Sydney or Melbourne may differ from those in smaller regional towns. City branches often have extended hours to cater to the higher volume of customers, while regional branches might have shorter hours due to lower demand. Secondly, the type of branch can also influence opening times. Some branches are full-service branches, offering a complete range of banking services, while others might be smaller, express branches focusing on basic transactions. These express branches might have limited hours compared to full-service locations. Thirdly, it's essential to consider the day of the week. Typically, banks have longer hours on weekdays and shorter hours, or are closed entirely on weekends and public holidays. This is a standard practice across the banking industry. So, what are the general guidelines for Commonwealth Bank's business hours? While it's always best to check the specific branch you plan to visit, here's a general overview. Most Commonwealth Bank branches operate from Monday to Friday, typically opening around 9 o'clock or 9:30 a.m. and closing around 4 o'clock or 5 p.m. However, as we mentioned earlier, these times can vary. Some city branches may open earlier, perhaps at 8:30 a.m., and close later, potentially at 5:30 p.m. or even later in some cases. On Saturdays, some Commonwealth Bank branches may be open for limited hours, usually from around 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. However, this is not a universal rule, and many branches remain closed on Saturdays. Sunday and public holiday closures are the norm for most Commonwealth Bank branches. Now, where can you find the most accurate and up-to-date information on a specific branch's opening hours? Thankfully, Commonwealth Bank provides several convenient ways to check this information. The most reliable method is to use the Commonwealth Bank branch locator on their official website. This tool allows you to search for branches by location, postcode, or suburb. Once you've found the branch you're interested in, the branch locator will display its specific opening hours, including any variations for different days of the week. Another option is to use the Commonwealth Bank mobile app. The app also includes a branch locator feature that provides the same information as the website. This is a particularly convenient option if you're on the go and need to quickly check a branch's hours. You can also try calling the specific branch directly. The phone number for each branch can usually be found on the Commonwealth Bank website or through a simple online search. However, using the online branch locator or the mobile app is generally quicker and more efficient. In summary, while there is no single answer to the question of Commonwealth Bank's business hours, understanding the general guidelines and knowing where to find specific branch information is crucial. Remember that location, branch type, and day of the week can all influence opening times. Using the Commonwealth Bank website's branch locator or their mobile app are the best ways to get the most accurate and up-to-date information. By taking a few moments to check the opening hours before heading to a branch, you can save yourself time, avoid frustration, and ensure you can access the banking services you need when you need them. This is especially important for business owners who need to manage their finances efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.